Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu and I am pursuing my BTech third year in KL University. And I am working as a peer mentor in Big Data Analytics course. And today this blog is about Hadoop and HDFS. HDFS means Hadoop Distributed File System. Agenda. The agenda of this video is to learn about features of HDFS, HDFS architecture and goals of HDFS. Features of HDFS. It is suitable for the distributed storage and processing. Hadoop provides a command interface to interact with the HDFS. The built-in servers of name node and data node help users to easily check the status of the cluster. Streaming access to file system data. HDFS provides file permission and authentications. The file permissions and authentications will be provided by HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. HDFS architecture. HDFS follows the master slave architecture and it has the following elements. And the first element is name node, second one is data node, and the third one is block. And here we can see the architecture of the HDFS. Here is the client and here is the name node, data nodes, and data nodes. What is name node? The name node is a commodity hardware that contains the GNU or Linux operating system and the name node software. It is a software that can be run on the commodity hardware. The system having the name node acts as the master slave server and it does the following tasks. Manages the file system namespace, regulates the client access to files. It also executes file system operations such as renaming, closing, and opening files and directories. Data node. The data node is a commodity hardware having the GNU or Linux operating system and data node software for every node. In a cluster, there will be a data node. These nodes manage the data storage of their system. Data nodes perform read-write operations on the file system as client requests. The client requests many read and write operations and these will be performed by data node. They also perform operations such as block creation, deletion, replication according to the instructions of the name node. All the instructions given by the name node will also be performed by data node. Block. Generally, the user data is stored in the files of HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. The file in the file system will be divided into one or more segments and are stored in individual data nodes. These file segments are called as blocks. In other words, the minimum amount of data that HDFS can read or write is called a block. The default block size is 64 MB, but it can be increased as the need to change in HDFS configuration. Means the block size can be variable. Goals of HDFS: fault detection and recovery, use datasets, hardware of data. Fault detection and recovery. Since HDFS includes a large number of commodity hardware, failure of components is frequent. Therefore, HDFS should have mechanisms for quick and automatic fault detection and recovery. Use datasets. HDFS should have hundreds of nodes per cluster to manage the applications having huge datasets. Hardware of data. A requested task can be done efficiently when the computation takes place near the data, especially where huge datasets are involved. It reduces the network traffic and increases the throughput. Means whenever there are large datasets, it will increase the throughput. And thank you.